So today I'm going to make apple pie. So this is cooking apple here, and I'm gonna add some eating apple. So I will be just cutting this in pieces. So I have all done. So I'm going to put in a pot because I'm gonna cook this with brown sugar and cinnamon. And then I'm going to make a pastry after. So I'm going to put brown sugar in this and cinnamon. So this is our brown sugar. So we're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 3.5 brown sugar, and then just one tablespoon with this, just like that there. To see the progress with the apple pie cooked there. I just let it cool down now. I don't want to get mushy, see. It's still in pieces. So I let it cool down and then I'm putting in the pie. So we're going to make a pastry for my apple pie. Okay. We need a butter. That's enough. So I'm going to add 2 cups of flour and 1 tablespoon of sugar. You're gonna add a little milk in here as well. Yes. So we're going to add a little bit of milk. Just a little bit. I'm not sizing it. Maybe 1/4 cup something. Or just a little. So I have all done. I just wait the apple is getting cooled down and then I'm gonna start making the pie.